Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, or Whiskey and Barbecue Meat. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today it's smoked buffalo chicken sandwich. Stick around. Okay, guys, we're back. So what we have here are four boneless chicken thighs. I bought the bone in just because they're a little cheaper, but I removed the bones, and that's for another video at another time. So today we're gonna hit these chicken thighs with some canola oil just to help them crisp up a little bit. I went ahead and patted these dry to get some of the moisture off of them. This canola oil should help with the crispiness of the skin. Now, every time that you smoke a chicken, you tend to lose some of the crispiness. So that's kind of one of the sacrifices we're making today, but that's all right. We want to retain some of the barbecue flavor along with that buffalo sauce flavor mixed. I think it's gonna, I think those two combinations will complement each other very well. So today we're rolling with Wrights BBQ Rub, local company here in Arkansas. Like I always say, I love to use local products. So let's get these guys seasoned up and put on the grill. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna hit these guys with the canola oil cooking spray. As I mentioned before, hopefully that'll help retain some crispiness of the skin. Sorry for the white nitrile gloves. Well, that needs to be trimmed up a little bit better. Having trouble getting the black ones. As my buddy the Hobo had mentioned to me last week. The Hobo, you ask? Oh, he's this guy. He's a buddy of mine. Shout out to Hobo. His real name's Tim, but we call him Hobo because he used to sleep on our couch back in college and post-college all the time. He never went away. He drank all of our beer. It's a terrible situation. All right, let's get this Wrights on there. Hey, if you haven't ever been to Wrights BBQ in Northwest Arkansas, I believe it's Lowell, is that right? Junction City? I can't remember. It's a great place. If you're ever in the area, it's a must. They've done a great job of building that business up there, and they just have a phenomenal following. They've been expanding, and you can find the rub in grocery stores, at least around Arkansas. You can also order it online, and I'll put a link below in the description box. So we're just trying to retain some barbecue flavor with this particular rub. And of course, we're gonna dunk these in buffalo sauce later, so I think this rub will stay on because it's gonna set up as a nice bark on these chicken thighs. Man, that rub smells awesome. Golly. I wish you could smell that here. I don't know what all's in it. Let's see. Brown sugar, salt, spices, dehydrated garlic, paprika, and less than 2% calcium silicate. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's added to prevent caking. So that's why it stays nice and what I call loose. I guess that's the right word for it. Those look pretty good to me. So today we're gonna roll with cherry wood. We're using B&B lump charcoal. And well, let's go to the smoker and put on a chunk of wood. All right, we're rocking about 275 today. Let's get some wood chunks down in the coals. Put that one down there, put that one in there, that one, and that one. And we'll call that good. All right. Now we'll get our chicken thighs. Let's go skin side down. I believe that helps to retain a little bit of that crispiness that we like to have. Oh, this smells good already. All right, we're gonna let those guys go till they're about 170 internal, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, we are back. It is time to get our sauce on the grill. And we'll also add some of this Wrights BBQ Rub into the sauce, just for a little extra something. There we go, that's good enough. Give it a little swirl. All right, that's what we got. So we're gonna put that on the Blaze Kamado and get it nice and incorporated and warm. The chicken is almost done, so we're timing this pretty perfectly. So we'll be back. All right, folks, we're back at the smoker. We'll go ahead and get our sauce on and take these wings off because they are done. It smells awesome. Ended up with a pretty good crust, I think. Ooh, I forgot my gloves. It's gonna be hot. Hot chicken. Ooh, hot chicken. Hot chicken, hot chicken. And hot chicken again. Let's get this hot sauce nice and melted down, or that butter, I should say, nice and melted down into that sauce. And once that's done, we'll be right back. Okay, while our sauce finishes up, I think I'm gonna throw on a bun on here to get a little smoke flavor and a little bit of char. Never hurt anybody. Let's see, let's go on each side there. I think that'll be good. All right, folks, we are back. We got our Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce and butter all melted and warmed up here. Smells awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit on the bottom bun here, these buns, by the way, were crisped up over the hot coals and got some of that good cherry smoke flavor. I think that's good for right now. Of course, you know, I wanna be sure and say I ate my veggies. So we got a little iceberg lettuce. That's gonna add a little bit more depth to the sandwich, give it some crunch and some cool flavor to it. It cools the flavor. That'll be good for texture. Okay, this particular one is calling my name. It's got a good shape to it, so I think we're gonna use that guy right there. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. And we're gonna hit it with this sauce. Oh yeah, that's looking good. I don't want too much because sometimes it kind of drowns out the chicken flavor. All right. Yes, sir. And let's not forget, you don't have to do this, but I'm a pickle kind of guy. If you're not, then just omit. One for you. Right there. And right there. And I think I'm gonna hit this part of the bun with a little more sauce. Oh man, it smells awesome. I don't even know which way to go at this, but we're just gonna go for it here and get a little pickle, a little bit of that lettuce. All right, guys, that's an excellent little recipe. It's inexpensive, it's quick, and it's easy. This thing, it doesn't blow your head off with heat. It's just right. And all you got to do is go buy some chicken thighs at the grocery store and just follow this recipe, man. It's really easy. Hey, if you like what we're doing at Casks-n-Que, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that little bell down there. Really helps this channel out a lot. And if there's somebody else that you know that may like this type of content, then go ahead and share it out to them. I'd greatly appreciate it. So once again, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que or Whiskey and Barbecue Meat. We'll see you next time.